Do you want a fast and easy way to get rid of hiccups? Well, check out Hiccaway. Hiccaway comes in this really cool convenient case, which I keep in my medicine cabinet. You can take the straw out, you switch it to either adult or child. Right now I have an adult. You stick it in through that little hole you see right here, and you stop continuously 3 to 4 times and hick away. Oh, and guess what? It's even safe for children. So if you got hiccups, Hiccaway may be your solution. I provided a link below. Hit the orange shopping cart.